Club. My name is Darren Hancock, and this is ThetaWaveTrader. We are now on the 16th of June, 2026, and what have I got for you this morning? It doesn't look like too much. We're in that hourly consolidation since yesterday still. We're right back into the middle of that range here. Look at this. Right back into the middle of yesterday's open, yesterday's midnight candle. So for me, this whole area would have to break. We'd have to close in the next 1 minute and 38 seconds. Oh, this could be all right. And then travel back into that yesterday's midnight open, catch it a short there. Yeah. We're looking for the mean threshold of that candle at 34.99. Or 500, we'll see. Big figure number. And then we will look for a retracement back into here. Run through here. If we can get through that, then I'm looking for the low to get taken, and then obviously keep going lower. But let's see where we're at with the close. Next 16 seconds. It's going to close below that level, which is good. I like to see us retest this at level right here at 555. Up to 555. So let's go down to a 15-minute chart right here. So retest of, oh, we came back, hit that already. We may come back one more time into here. 595, 596. We've hit the edge of the discount box. Let's see if we get a nice little retracement back up into, let's have a look at 50% of this range. So we're expecting a retracement now, right? 50% puts us at 585. Continuation gives us this candle. I don't want to see this at 494 get broken. Oh, we're right down here. Okay. That's at the bottom of the discount box on the 5-minute chart. And if we can eat through that, come back into it, then I'd like to see this go lower. And I want to see that hold. So we've already had a retest right here. That's the continuation, the downside. And then the 1-minute chart. So that's our 5-minute chart right there. So you're looking for a range extension first. Come back into this. Use this as a model 4 to run lower. And our next area is 485. Three people are on. No one's going to say hello. One person's on. Good morning, whoever's here with me. Okay, so Shepard, good morning. Let's look at I do have one decent trade on this morning in gold. Put it on earlier yesterday. Let's have a look at what ES is up to. First, we're into this messy consolidation here. I've got nothing for you in ES because ES looks like it's you gotta wait for it to get out of this whole consolidation. I make the run higher, so it's only done to this premium box here. So are we getting a reaction off of that? It's coming lower. I've seen nothing here on a 4 hour. Hourly is yeah, hourly's got its reversal. I'm expecting that to take the lows here at least and get back into a deeper 50% of this range. What's 50% of this? I already have 50%. Look at that. The body's respecting it. So if we do make another run down here, looking for 62 to 70%, which is this old busy back here. I'll leave that there. So yeah. How you feeling, buddy? You just had another operation? We're all getting chopped up. Hey, I got another one. I got another surgery, and mine was more of a surprise. Yours was more planned, I think. But I hope you're recovering well, my friend. There we go. We finally ran the lows. That's good. Retest. Run lower. That's a model. Depends if this is your model 1. No, there's no model 1 there. No model 1 there. So this will be like a model 2 for this larger range. Now model 3 is break through here, come back into that little zone right there. So we can just skip this thing now. Wait for the next 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's a retest of this level here. I want to see this. That'll be the no-go zone. So it goes up here, go straight down, then comes through and go higher. So that'll be a model 4 continuation. Still trying to get my neck taken care of. Insurance denied it. Of course they do. Trying for a spinal cord stimulator. It's taken 5 weeks and still waiting for it. No way. Insurance, eh? They're all about you. I say that sarcastically. They're about denying you. Morning, Russell. Well, I hope you get some satisfaction soon, Russell. It's a shame you have to fight to get coverage from insurance companies. They have no problem taking your money, but they certainly do have a problem helping you out when you need it. So here's your D1, D2 is down here. Let's look at Dow Jones. Waiting for a retest of this level here now. Right there. I'd even put one in there. Put a stop up there. I like to see that come lower now. It's right off that level. Stay above this premium. I don't want to see that get back above yeah, that retest of this would be like the line in the sand. This would be the no-go zone all the way up to here. I'll box that in there just in case it runs through it, then it's a no-go. That's that. It's already through it. I'm out. Watch that turn around and go back down now. Basticles. This is the levels I gave you yesterday for Bitcoin. We ran up through them. got a change in direction, so you got to be prepared to watch your own change in direction, retest, send it lower inside this small little hourly range here, all the way down to the bottom. Last down close candle, got a reaction off of it, wait for this little bull trap here to break for the upside. It does, come back, tag it, run it up higher into the premium, and that's where we're sitting right now, inside that range. So if you're looking for, you know, order block to order block, and then wait for that bull trap to get taken, come back in, continuation to the premium level, and now you don't want to see it. We don't want to see this run back into here like this. So you got this consolidation happening here now. So you can come right back into here, or its mean threshold, which is what we've hit here. Now it has to keep going. So that's your line in the sand right there. The low of that candle is just hit on the hourly. It just took out my, stop loss. We entered way over here somewhere. Here. Right up there. Okay, that's my gold off then. $44. You want to see this silver close below here. It's got to break this market structure here. You're already too far down into this range here. This 15-minute range. You'd have to get a retracement all the way back up into this little imbalance here and then take it back down again. Or it's got to break through here. Dixie. There's the 5-minute no-go we had yesterday. We're getting a reaction off of that. In the middle of that range, middle of this range. We're in the middle of all of them right now. You gotta wait for something. Look for a little run below this wick here. You're inside that SIBI now. If you start closing below that, then we're looking for around these lows below us. Up your downside target. We close below here. Let's watch for a run here and then target these lows. If you're the stronger of the two, Look for this to hold and send it back higher. The mean threshold of where the bottom is of that, that's your line in the sand, because if you lose that, then we're running back down into this discount box. So look at this. Look at those levels holding. Those two little levels that we marked out here, right into them. Look at the consequent encroachments of them. Work nice. Quickly blast for the last couple of these. Are you calling me out there? Oh, yes. Come on, man. I want to see Archer Aviation launch now. That's great. I'll be right back. Go back to here so you guys keep an eye on that. So we swept the lows here. Now I want to see that hourly retracement back into that level we're talking about up here. So where we're looking now, so I'd like to see us get above here and start motoring into that hourly area that we're looking at, which is right in here. We're just inside that no-go zone now. So we'll see where that, I like the little poke through. Kind of tells me I like this area right here. We can get a bounce off of that, send that a little higher. Put that in the 1 minute. 1 minute's already given us our change in direction, a retest, send it higher, break through this one here, come back inside it, send it higher. We can come all the way down to 517. We've hit the top of the premium, so we go box to box. There's box to box. Now I want to see it close above here and then reach for the highs. That's Monday's open. Let's have a look at today's. Well, that's today's open. Let's look for, oops. Let's look for the midnight. Really tiny this morning. See how it's banging off of that? This was midnight open right there. And the 6 a.m. candle. And does that bring back a traumatic memory? Hearing a train siren or a train horn going off. Takes me right back to a call. Young girl hit by a train. So we're stalling inside this premium box here. There's your line in the sand. Go through that. Look for a retest down here. Body's respecting it. We miss this little guy here. We have a small little suspension block here. We're right up inside it. Don't have to revisit this one. Still like to see us hit that midnight open. And we'll get this once at 9 o'clock here. Yep. I missed that one right there. Problem when you got it too consolidated, you want to have your charts opened up enough that you can see these little imbalances here. So we'll just wait. We could still get a run back through here. Just get little candles that wick down here, take out these lows. We'll see where that closes. That's 27.30. Bottom of the hour, Crazy Ivan. Now we've closed below that level. Well, I don't know what higher time frame you're looking at other than the 4 hour and the daily. I'm not trading on that, Russell, so this is bearish, this is bearish, this is bearish, the 1 hour's bearish, 15's bearish, so I don't agree. And your 4 hour is now bearish as well. You know, your 4 hours already dropped below the that will be in 27 minutes. It'll be bearish as well if we close below that 497. So these contracts expire today, tomorrow, so we should be shifted into the September contract by now. I don't have my phone with me. Anybody check the open interest lately on September contract? if there's a I'm going to go to September contracts now. Wait for us to get above here, look for a retest, and then go higher. So we just swept those lows there. 1 or 2 ticks below that low. And I'm looking for that, again, retest to that 865 level. It's officially flipped. Open interest. Okay. Excellent. Thank you, sir. Flip all the rest of mine over here. I should go higher now. For that, Russell. We'll see us clear this out here now. We're still in these June contracts here. Let me switch these over. Gotta wait. This is all just chopping around here again now. Got to see a break above this if you want to see it go higher. We've had the low just dipped below here. So you're back inside this small little leg here. And we're right near the middle of it. So we can get some lift here now into that 865 area. Just retest this high now. I'd like to see a buy right there. And you got to be kind of below this spot right here. Taking these highs out already. We've got back into that premium level there. So if that's all we need, it's just a retest of that low. Send it lower. That should come all the way down now. That's wrong. We're on the wrong side of this. That's the retest area we were looking for. It hit it. Now you want to see it continue going lower now. So you're going to wait for a shift through here. At 806. We could get an institutional order flow entry drill from here and go lower on the hourly. So we'll see if this is aggressively taken off here. So look for the next. There's the retest of the low. Well, not quite. What's the low of that candle? 863. High is 86. So we need that 865, 863, 869. the retest area here. These can go all the way up to 911 too. Put a little box up here. What are here? That puts us right in there then, right into that order block. So now you can see a reversal. So look for any opportunity to see a reversal here on a 1 minute, which is really choppy. I'm gonna wait here. What's this range from high to low here? That's 50% plus there. All the way up to 915. So now you're switching over to bullishness. So Russell, you're back in sync with the markets going back higher again. So 1 minute, 5 minute, 15's not quite there yet till you take out this high. Hourly is right back into that range, and we're looking for that SIBI that's sitting right here. Well, not SIBI, it's just the last down close hourly candle here. Coming back to rebalance that. So if we bounce off of this candle here, I'm looking for this to bounce and then come back lower. It's mean threshold. You want to see a portion of this stay open if you're going to go lower. But if it runs all the way back up into here, closes this out, takes the mean threshold of that candle, we get back up on top of it, then obviously we're going to look for new highs. 31016 would be my target. Morning, Hans. How you doing, buddy? Good morning, Paulette. How's Paulette doing down there in the Bahamas? Watch this level here. Hot and humid. Gotta like hot and humid. That's just the sticky kind of hot though, isn't it? You go down to Vegas, it could be like 40 degrees, but dry. You can feel the heat, but you have 40 degrees when it's humidity. Ugh. Wipes you out. Look at gold. Still in that consolidated area there on the 4 hour, 1 hour. Back in the middle of this range, so nothing there. Mean threshold of that candle. That's your line in the sand right there. If you close below that in the next 26 seconds, then look for another run lower. You're stuck inside these two here now. That's a little no-go zone. Remember that little no-go zone I told you about? You come back, you tag it, and then run lower. Since it takes out the low, you got to pay yourself. Then it came back up, went right through it, came back, tagged it, and said it's a no-go. That's why it's a go, no-go if it goes through it. If it goes no-go, then you're going higher. Look at that huge run up. Wow. You got to follow those no-go zones properly. They can really get you back in sync or save your ass. If your stop loss is sitting way too high, you think, oh, I'm on the wrong side of that. It's changing up. Get back in sync with it. It's making the decision that you're on the wrong side of it. So don't marry your trade and be trying to commit to a new direction right away. So now we've run back up into that hourly level that we're looking for. Ran over a little bit. So are we going to run back up here now? And let me just see where that is. And are we going to run into a institutional order flow entry drill or just take half that wick? Now tag this low here and then send it lower. I like to see 10 o'clock just clean this out here first and then send it lower. Gotta keep remembering these damn things right here. Go into those other chop days. It is. So as you can see, we've got lots of chop here. This whole regular trading hour gap's been filled. We've run back up into that hourly. This is the only area I can see that's clean enough to say we've hit it. Now you want to see it continue going lower and take out the equal lows below you. But we could still get one more institutional order flow entry drill pop back up here just to be a dick. The way the market's being right now. I'd like to see this candle at least make a new low here. But again, it's a 10 candle, so it can make a high here or a low. I'm kind of hoping that this makes a low here and then starts to run back up. If we're going to create this whole bouncing around thing, I'd like to see this low get taken, come back up into that thing around 11 or so, 12 o'clock, and then send it lower. So it kind of look like this. Get down to here, maybe here, come back to here, and then send it lower. Or here, get through here, come back into this, and then send it higher. But I want to see that first low get taken. No, it's not 100. My back's pinching some nerve in my hip. So I get right into my glute and into my hip. It's really crazy how painful it is. At times it'll pinch. You go, you can't even step on it. Can't even step on my leg. But it is what it is. I don't have half the problems that our poor friend Shepherd has there. So I'm up and moving around, so I'll take that. There's people out there who've got it worse than I do. The nerves, 3 of them pinched in my neck. Feel lightheaded, so I feel for you. Ugh. I hate those nerve pains in the neck when I got my neck done. Ugh. It was terrible. I didn't feel dizzy. I felt like they were just, I was being turned off from the neck down. It's a terrifying feeling to lie in bed. Feel like they're just, someone's just turning the switch off and you're going out. Ugh, it's a terrible feeling. I don't envy your neck, man. I hope they can solve that for you. That is a really shitty place to feel pain, numbness, tingling, all that. Sorry about the caption. No, man, I get it. I get it. It hurts. I'd cap that mofo as well. Good for you. Just going to sit down here. I want to see if this holds here now. We've swept this low. Just want to see if we catch this inversion. There's a little spot above us here. I'm just trading this internal range fruit stuff here. Let's just put it at a break even plus the cost of the trade. We'll see if we get this 900 out of this. I'm just catching this short here, or this long, to pay us a bit more. I'm looking at this wick saying I don't want to see more than half that wick. Guess not. Let's come back, retest it right to the very bottom of it. And I have my stop loss sitting right there on the bottom. Should have been just a touch bit lower. That would have got me anyway, I think. An hour still looks like it wants to go lower. Yeah, hourly still looks like it's turning for me. 4 hours still sitting on the bullish side of it. Hourly looking on the bearish side. That's bearish. Oh, that's the hourly there. Here's a 15-minute. There's nothing clean in here anywhere right now. Oh. Except this looks good. That looks like a maybe just below here. I'd like to see that get up into here. Actually, I don't want to see that take that out again now. Let's come back down right to the edge of that. I'd like to see that leave from there now. Use this candle as support. We've got above it, we came through the mean threshold, tagged the SIBI below it, and now we've come back into it one more time. Now I want to see that go higher. I'm going to leave that sit there and see if we can get that a little higher. That looks a way cleaner price action than the other crap we're looking at here. Silver did that drop. Didn't get that one. Didn't get that one. Wait for the second, the third. Finally got the third one here. Retest it. Send it lower. Get through the discount. Model 4 right here. Trades through. Comes back inside it. Sends it lower. So you're targeting this box down here now. So we push through here now. Take this hourly. This is, yeah, looking for those equal lows to finally give away now. This 930 low here. 752, 751. Nice. There we go. So we can, so hourly shows bearish, bearish, bearish. So did turn in the area we're looking for. Went up a little higher than I expected, but we did get the turn. Already felt. Nice little rebalance right there. Send it lower. Nice. I'm short right off here. Yeah, agreed there, Russell. And look way over there on the June 4th. Keep that one in mind as well. We're digging into that right now. 659. I'll put you right in the consequent encroachment of that and fill that whole June 4th one out as well. Let's go get on a big ripper here. March here. It's right to the top of that Russell. So now you're looking at this spot right here. Now we've closed above it. We've retested it, going higher. and wait for this candle here to get taken to the upside, or we got more downside. Retest that low. See if we can retest this area right here. I'll put a little box there, so keep your eye on that area here. A little late. Wanted to get that one short. Put the stop up here. And we're looking for that 642, 648 to 627. Risk free now. There's a 642, so you'd pay yourself one there. Take that there. That's the top of that old high there at right here. Now I'm just going to wait and see if we break through here, then get back in sync with it further down if it's going to go further. That's a fill of that BISI. What kind of reaction we get out of here? It's the 1030 low, so crazy Ivan. I would like to see a pullback to 673. Oh, that's the 32. No, this 27's up here somewhere. 30, 32. That's consequent encroachment of the hourly order block. At 92 level. Oh yeah, what is that triple witching? I remember hearing about that years ago. I can't remember what it is though. So I got out at a pretty good spot. So now I'm just wanting to see if we get a retracement back into here. We've got a change in direction here. We've come back to it and we filled the 4 hour. We filled the 1 hour. Now I want to see if we pull back into 754 maybe, or we create a small little fair value gap, a SIBI below here. This would be really good for a nice drive down. So if we get a small candle for the next 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock makes us a run back up into the hourly candle. If 12 o'clock gives us a retest of this low and then sends it lower, lunchtime swing, and then send that lower. So watch right here. Yeah, I'm playing on the pure September now. Still here. That's what we're looking for. Stay on the horse, you guys. %50 puts us right on this guy here. There's the 50%. The low on that candle is 67,250. The high is 67,750. So there's the fill of that. We've tagged that. Good. Now I want to see if we close above this level. Or turn around and start sending it lower again. We got 5 minutes left of the 15, hey? 20 minutes left here. Keep pushing. I want to see this breakthrough here. Start heading up higher. I want to see that reach for that hourly 754 level. So you're right up in the premium already. We're coming back into a discount. Or not discount, but you want to see it dip below that 50% to get a discount inside here. Stop would have to sit down here because you don't want to see it come back through that into this discount one down here. I want to see it run through that premium level. So when you're this high up inside this small little range here, you want to see this bull trap let go as a safety. Otherwise you're in the middle of it here. And this could be just pulling all the way back through here. See if this holds. See if we can get back into here now. I've got the overlap. One wants to go higher, one wants to go lower. So you've got two more down here you can reach for. If you lose this, then we're looking for this to continue going lower. That's the retest of the second one. So now I'm stuck in here. So you're either going to go up, back up to here, find some support, roll over and come back down, take this out, find support and go lower. So it would look something like this. Trade back up to here, then down to here, either pop through, come up and go down, or come down to here, pop back up here, tag, through here, tag, and then send it higher. So if you lose this part here, you can take over right there, up here and go higher. There's a drive through this one, retest, come lower. I like to see it go up to the bull trap though, or the BISI. Watch this guy right here. That's in it now. I'd like to see that come lower from there. Stop loss has to go back up above here. No, it doesn't. It has to go above here. Inside that range. It's back through here already. Mean threshold. So what? Wait and see where that closes. Good, send it down. I don't want it up there anymore. It's got to start going lower, man. I'm going to put that right there at the top. Probably going to revisit it one more time. Yeah. I don't like all this constant wicking back and forth. You just want to see it tag it and go. So this is, we're at this part here. Come back up, tag it, go higher, or drop it, come back into it and go lower. That's this part right here. Went up, tagged. Now you want to see us go higher here. So we can't push back up to this high here. First target's here. So we're pretty much on this one out of here. This leg here now. It's the bottom of that. This leg is what that leg just did there. Now you want to see that keep moving higher here. So we're on this leg here now. Okay, so forget this now. Can't help all this chomping around, man. I still want to see this run up into here for lunch hour. Doesn't look like we're going to make it happen. Let's see it run back into here. I like this level now. If it's clean enough, this should hold and send it lower. As soon as it takes out this low, move to break even. Just for more chop, this would come back into here and chop around in here some more. Just to be that much more annoying. This inversion point here, I want to see that hold now. So we can get a retest of this level here. So that's your model 4. Oh, sorry, model 3 here for an extension. Then a model 4, come back, tag this. You want to leave a portion of this open. The way it's chopping around, wouldn't surprise if it comes back and takes me out. Right there. Refill it. So now what you want to see is this hold come lower, and you don't want to see that get filled in the next 40 seconds. Otherwise, look for this to find some support to go higher. And this. Remember, it's 11 o'clock as well, so. Nope. Could wait on this one. It's 11 o'clock, small change in direction here. I want to see that just close above it, take this guy out, and then start running higher. See if we get a pullback into that lunchtime area we're looking for right here. There's a close above, the retest, send it higher. I want to see that get out of here now. See if this holds. Morning, Derek. Yeah, I want to see a small retracement so we can go lower. Staying below here. I think you're on the June contract, man. There's a retested there. I like that spot right there. We're back through here now, so lower. Gotta get through here first. I'm just trying to stay on the horse here, so we're between this level. You got to get back above here, or you got to get below here. Box to box trade inside here. Just looking for this level right here for that box to box to finish off. Well, we're just lots of waffling around here now, so that is a retest of just shy of 674. Well, it should go lower. I agree with you, Derek. I think it should go lower, man. Wanted to see a retest all the way back up to here. But this hourly, if this just waffles around here for the next hour, I want to see one little quick pump up here at 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock into that hourly level right here, and then see if we can send it lower. But right now it's just chopping around inside this small little range, so it could go either direction. Just chopping around, guys. There's nothing for you here. I like that for a long. Pay yourself the high, but $100. Just gonna sit below the this candle here. Actually, I should sit just below that mean threshold of this candle. See if we can't get that higher. Take profit here. Nothing here. It's Bitcoin up to. See how we broke below that level? Didn't want to see it close below there. It opened and closed right on it. Closed there, opened there, kept going lower, took the lows. So that was your no-go line, and it broke. So you made it up to the first level twice, and then didn't reach for these higher ones that we're looking for just yet. So you'll know that we need to see this swing through here, come back, use this candle and that level as support to reach for the next level. See what we're up to now. All right. It's good. Come back, give it a little kiss right there. I'm okay with a short there. got that BC up here. I don't want to see this get broken to the upside now. That's it. It's got to break even. Got to keep going now. It's done its little quick whip up into here. It's got to get out of here now. That's it. See this wick get used now. I don't want to see more than half of that wick get taken. Let's let it go. Let her rip, man. Let her rip. There's the midpoint right there. That's it. I don't want to see that get taken now. Keep coming lower. Excellent. Yeah, that's your model 4 right there. Continuation. If it comes back through it, then I'm out of that because I don't want to see that halfway of that wick get broken again to the downside. Got my partial. Nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong with that. Now just a retest at the low there. Right there, and then send it lower. Otherwise, we're going to come back through here. Oh, come back right back and kiss me there. I want to see that midpoint hold. Yeah, it's model 4. This was a model 3 here to return back into here, and then a model 4 to return back into here. Same kind of principle here. I want to see more than half the wick. Leave this portion open. Leave this portion open. Keep sending it lower. They're gonna aggressively send this higher fast now. So if you're looking at the hourly here, where do we want to target this open, the new week opening gap there? You want to find some support off of here. Big dive down. Keep pushing hard. Got to really start accelerating here now. You can come back, rebalance that. That's fine. I just don't want to see this high get taken again. That's it. As high as I wanted to go. Even to give you the mean threshold of that candle there. And it's 30 candles, so I want to see this reverse. Right on it. Keep coming. Now my stop loss sits right on top of that. Just because if we come back into here, we look for a punch through this again. And we close right on it. So, yeah, that's out. I'm out. See it push up high now. I want to see it run back into this range. See if this holds down, comes lower, or if this now translates to going back into this range. It close above this level here. Not quite. That's okay, Russell. Just wait, man. There's plenty of opportunities out there. This is not one of those ones you force. It's been a really kind of a challenging morning for sure. Did not break above that high. We've come back and retested that. So if you're going to go long, that's the best place to go. If it trades through it, comes back to you, you can get short. You're on the wrong side of it. The fact that we're even poking through that right now. Tells me she wants to go short again. Put yourself at the low. That was a Model 3. Model 4 now. No, I'm out. Now we're getting into lunch hour, so that's going to be it for me, you guys. We hold some nice little trades out of there, some Model 3s and Model 4s. You got to wait for them, though, hey? They can be a real pain in the ass. You've got to be patient enough to wait for them. So, anyway, that's it for me. Hope you guys got something out of that. Thanks for the 8 of you that turned up today. I appreciate your time. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. You're welcome, Hans. Gotta love the Model 3, 4 models for continuation. Sending the love right back at you guys. Thanks very much for everything. And Shepard, take care, buddy. I hope you continue to improve, and I hope you get some relief soon, man. I hope those people help you out, brother. Okay, you guys take care, and I'll see you either in Telegram or I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.